videotape
If I
you?
can catch you, I get on.
I don't know if I can make it.
You could. Come on. I'll videotape you.
Okay.
Nothing like getting old.
How much gas in there?
Are we doing good?
We got enough room.
Are we doing all right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
Okay, Rylan, watch out.
You want to
Coming
come in?
right here, and I'm gonna chase and see if I can jump right on it.
Or maybe this will ensure that we do fall.
Selfies. Let me take a selfie. That song is so stupid. It's the worst song ever.
I don't know. There's 3 over there, 3 over there.
Yeah, we should be all right.
Grandpa,
I think I've got you down.
Grandpa.
You going fast?
I don't know.
Yeah.
He videotaped you.
What's up? What are you doing?
Oh!
He's gonna race the truck.
You festivals!
That boy's pretty fast.
That's true. That's,
How fast can that boy run?
I don't know.
Oh no, here he goes.
Whoa! Great. You videotaped you?
I know.
You must be on the track team or something.
I am.
Yeah. Runs in the family. No pun intended.
Yeah, what happened today?
Oh, I do pretty good.
Would you?
Yeah. I get on the elliptical and I can do about
Banana?
14 miles.
Whoa. Nice. I couldn't do 14 miles. I could barely do it.
Where are we going? Downtown? Middletown?
No, just
I'm happy if I can do
right here. Turn around.
Okay.
Well,
You're not allowed to
I
drive on the road.
started working on it this past year. Yeah.
You could drive on the county roads, I guess.
Yeah?
He is.
Yeah, that's
Oh, he's probably going down to Charlie's.
Oh, here we go, Game On.
I've never been down this way before. Oh, there's the east. Maybe I should just put this on YouTube.
Yeah, but
Yeah, I got a YouTube account.
see, it's only like a 2-person thing. Argo? Yeah.
Here we are
No.
at the intersection.
Either way, I can't.
We'll probably turn around right here.
He's turning around.
I'm assuming he is, or maybe not.
Or maybe not.
Maybe he's just going around the block.
Actually, he probably is. But this is a pretty big block.
That's true.
Bigger than most.
My neighborhood.
Oh, that's the thing on it.
Nah, it's okay. As long as it didn't sound good. Oh my god, that's what it's fun. That's it. See, it's so big right now.
Good for the soul.
Wait for the soul. That's right.
Just be careful. This road's pretty bumpy.
Yeah, it is.
Hang on, people. Hang on.
See, I'm right now.
Yeah, somebody was telling me that he used to ride, and he had a dog that would chase him right on the side rail.
I don't remember
Have you
that.
heard your grandma tell that story?
He has. Like he would run up and like just
It really
jump.
would?
It really would. I don't remember it, but he has told me that story before. And then my mom.
You have lost your luck. You've lost your luck.
I've lost my luck.
Yes.
I'm also out of shape.
You gotta go like this. Here's the next block. I wonder if we can the county line from Delaware, from Henry to Delaware County.
See, when you're in Michigan, you're like, oh, it's such a beautiful view. When you're here, you're just like farmland.
Yeah, when they got Michigan, that we don't
You know what?
bigger lakes. Oh, he might turn around, right?
I think so.
Yeah, he's turning.